Hello guys, and welcome to another webcraft tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove these extra fields from your checkout page on your WooCommerce store. Now, this is one of the things that gets a lot of customers to abandon the checkout page when they have a long list of fields to fill. It can be a bit frustrating. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce this to the barest minimum so that you can have fast checkouts for your customers. So without wasting time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing we need to do is to go to our WordPress dashboard, that's the back end, and go to plugins. We are going to use a plugin to remove these extra checkout fields. So go to add plugin and let's search for WooCommerce checkout field editor. So once all of these load, we'd want to select this option, the one that says by theme high, and go ahead and install this one. Let's go ahead to activate it. So once this is activated, it will bring you up in here. So let's get started. All right, so now you can see under WooCommerce, there's a section that says checkout form. Now this is where you see all the extra checkout fields on your website. So if you go back to your website, go back to our website now, and then we go to the checkout. Just check a few things over there. So go to cart, checkout, and you can see it's under billing address. So all this billing address, we want to take out the country. Let's just maintain the country. Let's take out company name, street, town, and all these extra parts, apartment, and all these extra parts in here out. So back to our dashboard again. So we need to take out address 1, 2, billing, city, state, postcard. Let's leave phone number. You could decide to leave the phone number and email. So these are the 5 that we don't want. So just go ahead and say remove. And don't forget to save the changes. So once this is done, we don't see these in here anymore. So let's go back and refresh and see if this has taken effect. So you can see they are still showing in here. Now let's go back and make sure of one more thing. So in here you could see there's one that is called classic checkout, and then there's block checkout. Now if you click this information icon in here, it says you are on the classic checkout editor right now. If your store is not using the classic checkout fields, fields you add here won't appear on the checkout. Unsure which checkout type your store is using, so we need to be sure which of the checkout we are using, whether it's the classic or the block. Now how do we check this? Let's go to pages and type in the checkout. So we want to look at the checkout page and see whether we're on the classic or on the block. So you could see there's checkout in here, checkout page. Now let's go and click on edit. So when you go on edit, you can see in here that at the top right hand side in here, it says block. So this means that we are using the block type, not the classic type. So when we go back to the checkout form, we need to make sure that we've checked the block editor for our effects to or the changes we made to take effect on our checkout. So let's go back again, go back to the WordPress dashboard, Let's go to WooCommerce checkout form, and let's click on block checkout. So this is to say that we are on the block checkout, not on the classic. Now, once this is done, you can see that for the block, we have only these two fields, email and name. So let's go ahead and save this. Go back to our checkout and refresh again. So we still have this in here. Let's check what the issue might be. And this time, let's go to address. That is what we want to change. Right. So for the address, you could see we have all this here. Now, we wanted to take out address 1, address 2, city, state, leave the phone number and check the postcard. So we want to take all these 5 out. So once they are selected, let's go ahead and click on remove. And save the changes. And this should work this time on our checkout. So now let's refresh again. And instantly you can see that all the extra checkouts are removed from here. So if you want to take out maybe any other or add your own fields also, you can do that. So if you want to add other fields to this, you could just come here to the same backend on the under address. Make sure it's not under contact information but under address, and then you can just click add. Just give the field type, whether it's a text checkbox or a select, where they will select options that you present to them. So let's just say I want to add a checkbox. Let's give it a name. For demonstration purposes, let's call it gender. So gender, and this would also be gender. Let's make it a select. Okay, let's do this and just save and close. So it says name ID. So okay, all these must be in small caps. Save and close. And now you can see there's a gender section also added in here. So if we save this and go back to our checkout page and refresh, you will see that now we have a gender checkbox in here. But I mean, this is not how it's supposed to be. You're supposed to have male and female, but this is just to show you how you can add more or extra text fields to your checkout page. So this is something that is very simple. With this plugin, you can remove and add fields as you want, and this would really go a long way to help you with your online website, in helping your customers check out or purchase from your website very easily. So there you have it. This is how you can remove the extra checkout fields on WooCommerce checkout page. If you found the video useful, kindly leave a like for this video and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you for joining, and I hope to see you in the next one.